Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today we are taking a look at a travel trailer that offers one of the most unique and versatile layouts in the entire towable market. This is the 2019 Keystone Outback 335CG toy hauler. Measuring in at 37 feet long and weighing in at a very towable 8,109 pounds, this Outback gives you all the high-end residential luxury of a premium travel trailer, but with a dedicated toy hauler garage section built right into the front half. Take a look at the exterior presentation. Outback is famous for their fiberglass front caps, frameless windows, and sleek styling. This unit features Keystone's Arctic Barrier package, giving you enhanced insulation and protection for cold weather camping, so you can extend your travel season well into the winter months. Along the passenger side, you have a large power patio awning equipped with exterior speakers, creating a massive shaded outdoor living area. Setup is a breeze thanks to the full leveling system and power tongue jack up front. You've also got a pass-through front basement storage compartment for your power cords and setup gear, along with dual-roof ACs to keep the entire cabin ice cold during the summer heat. Let's move down the side to check out the outdoor setup. Right here under the awning is your full exterior kitchen. It comes fully equipped with a mini refrigerator, a dedicated sink, a cooktop, storage, and its own built-in 24-inch TV, so you can watch the game while cooking outside. Moving around the exterior, check out this side-loading 56-inch flip-down ramp door. This allows you to effortlessly load up e-bikes, motorcycles, kayaks, or a quad directly into the dedicated garage section. Having a side ramp toy hauler design means you don't sacrifice your rear master bedroom or living space to haul your adventure gear. As we complete our walk around the rest of the exterior, notice the clean fiberglass sidewalls, the heavy-duty aluminum entry steps, and the overall fit and finish. Every detail on this Outback reflects Keystone's commitment to quality towables. Whether you are heading to the dunes, the mountains, or a full hookup RV resort, this trailer has the exterior utility to handle it all. Let's head inside and see how the interior manages this awesome layout. Step right up into the Outback, and you are immediately going to notice how spacious and upscale this main living quarters feels. Thanks to the deep slide-outs, the main salon offers an open-concept flow that feels like a high-end luxury fifth wheel. You have deep wood tones, vaulted ceilings, and a neutral decor that creates a very welcoming atmosphere. Unlike traditional toy haulers that feel industrial, the Outback 335CG keeps the garage completely separate, allowing the central living area and kitchen to remain purely residential and comfortable. It is a bright, clean, and beautifully preserved interior that gives you plenty of elbow room for the whole family to relax after a long day on the trails or at the lake. Let's walk right over to take a closer look at this magnificent kitchen island setup. The full kitchen is an absolute dream for meal prep. The centerpiece is a freestanding kitchen island, housing a large residential sink and high-rise faucet. You have a Dometic gas and electric refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, a full gas oven, and a microwave oven above, along with great cabinet storage. Across from the kitchen island is your primary entertainment lounge. We have plush dual theater recliners situated directly across from a wall-mounted 40-inch TV and a cozy electric fireplace that provides electric heat on chilly mornings. Right adjacent is a comfortable convertible booth dinette that easily drops down to double as extra sleeping space. It's a fantastic lounge layout for relaxing or hosting guests. Moving down the hallway, we find the private full bathroom. And Keystone did a wonderful job maximizing the space here. The highlight is a large shower enclosure with solid glass doors and a built-in skylight overhead. That skylight brings in a beautiful amount of natural light and gives you that extra bit of headroom you want. You have a vanity with a sink, mirror storage for your toiletries, a toilet, and a high-volume power vent fan to keep the space fresh and comfortable. It's a clean, bright, and highly functional bathroom that provides all the comforts of home, perfectly positioned for easy access from anywhere in the coach. Heading into the back of the trailer, welcome to the rear master bedroom. This private suite features a comfortable queen-sized bed that ensures a wonderful night's rest. You have a spacious wardrobe closet for your travel attire, overhead cabinets, and a 19-inch TV already mounted for viewing from bed. Because this bedroom is positioned at the absolute rear of the coach, completely away from the front garage, it serves as a quiet, peaceful sanctuary to recharge after a day of adventure. Now we are going to walk out of the rear master suite, head back through the main living room, and step into the dedicated front garage section. This transition highlights just how smart this floor plan is. Separating the living quarters from the utility garage gives you the absolute best of both worlds. Welcome to the toy hauler section. This front garage space features a jackknife sleeper sofa and a flip-down bunk bed above. When you're traveling, the furniture folds completely out of the way so you can tie down your kayaks, bikes, or golf cart using the built-in tie-down points. Once you unload your gear, this room transforms into a private secondary bedroom or kids' bunkhouse, complete with TV and cable hookups. Between the master queen, the dinette, and this garage setup, this trailer can comfortably sleep up to 6 people. This 2019 Keystone Outback 335CG is one of the most versatile travel trailers on the market today. To recap, you are looking at a 37-foot side-loading toy hauler weighing just 8,109 pounds, featuring an exterior kitchen with a TV, a kitchen island layout, dual ACs, an electric fireplace, an Arctic barrier package, and sleeping for up to 6. If you want to see this unit in person or have any questions, give us a call at 864-2609-276 or send an email over to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see the full spec sheet and additional photos. Thanks for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. And as always, happy camping!